My name is Rob Foley-Walt. I'm with Ford and Associates. We teamed up with Welliver McGuire. That's the second time that we've teamed up with Welliver McGuire for an actual design build on the Canstruction. This year's theme is Cannucopia, share the bounty this season, give thanks, and give food.
Hi, I'm Alan Fusco, and I'm a representative of the Holiday and Holiday Express Love Team. We actually have chosen Love because we love children, and that's what we feel the food banks very important to the youth of today. We got really involved, or really committed to this when we started watching the video and realized exactly what the food bank does for this community and for neighboring communities, what they do for kids, and how without the food bank there'd be a lot of hungry people in this community.
Hi, I'm Dan Dela Cruz. I work over at Polio in Campbell. Been working there for 2 years now, and we decided to participate in Canstruction. Well, I decided to because I loved Legos growing up, and it's probably the most creative food drive I've ever seen.